Hello viewers, today I will show you how to verify your Skrill account in 2025 step by step. Once you log in your Skrill account, click on the settings. After that, it will show you like this account verification. Click on the verify button. After that, it will take you to this page. You can verify with Facebook or you can skip that and choose the take and upload webcam photos. You can also use mobile app to do the same process. After clicking take and upload webcam photos, the interface will show like this. You have to select the country, then select the type of document you will be submitting. It can be passport, driver license, identity card. When you click on it, it will show take photo or upload file. If you have that file in your PC, just click on upload file, or you can also take a photo. It will show this interface and click on choose file, then choose the required documents and submit it. After that, it will ask for face verification. You have to click on the start button to use your webcam for face verification. After completing it, it will show document submitted. Press the continue button. Once pressing that, it will show verify address. Choose the type of document you will be submitting for address document. You will find various options. Choose your preferred type. After choosing and submitting the documents, it will show like this, which will be pending. You have to wait for it for the Skrill support team to check and verify. Press the continue button and wait for verification. Thank you for watching.